All right, we just arrived in Puerto Rico. We just met some friends from the plane who are from here. They were giving us some tips, some advice, and they were very nice.
They gave me their phone number and they said, keep in touch, let us know if you need anything. We live in San Juan, gave us a couple tips about traveling around the island. So warm welcome to Puerto Rico.
All right, we are in Puerto Rico. We made it to our Airbnb, and the first thing I noticed as we come in here is how much it smells like coffee. It's 11:30 p.m., but it smells like coffee in here. It's pungent with coffee. Look how cute this is.
Well, this is why it smells like coffee so much. Delicious. Gonna make myself some in the morning.
Welcome to La Placita, San Juan, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is known for its party vibes, and La Placita is one of the biggest party spots on the island. Next time on Dustin's Travels, we head through the countryside of Puerto Rico and find ourselves at a coffee farm, where we learn why Puerto Rican coffee has been world famous for centuries, why you should ditch your Starbucks latte, and the ancient origins of coffee, which may surprise you.
I'm about to try Puerto Rican coffee for the first time.